Sometimes we need to replace the value while working with the Power BI.
Mm-hmm.
So these are two small things. 10 and 11 is a very too easy and small thing, but we require to understand. No? Now I come with this. I say get data. So now I have a copy. I need to replace the value. Replace, open. With the we can take this. Both are same also. No worries in that. Yes, we have an NA. So I click on load and transform. Now, one thing I want to replace this KL with a PD, for example. So I click on to that. I need to replace this value. So I'll go to the transform. So we have an option called replace value. One is a split, one is a combined, that's a different thing. But
Mm-hmm.
now we are talking about the replacement of some codes. For example, we upgrade something and now my product code is something else. So I just click on there. I say replace value. So find which value, find KL and replace with what? If you want to replace with the blank, so you want to remove this KL from the data. So you just click on OK, the KL will be replaced. I click on OK, look at here. The KL will be replaced with the blank.
Mm-hmm.
Let's suppose I don't want this. I want to replace value, this KL with the product that is called PD, and I want to put an hyphen. PD hyphen 001, PD hyphen 002, like something like that. So I
Mm-hmm.
click on that and I click on OK. Boom, all done in a one go.
What if you needed to, like, let's say you just had 001 and you wanted to add to that value the PD dash? Would you do a replace or would you do something different?
No, addition may be required something else. Addition may be required to
Mm-hmm.
convert the data type and do the addition process again.
Okay.
So that is a different thing. Here this is a type of a text. It is not a number. Please look at here the type.
ABC.
That is text. You can look at it from here also.
Text.
So that is a replacement. Fine. One thing. Sometimes we do have some errors also at the, look at here, this NA is there. So this NA is a blank one, which is an error. So if you want to remove this errors, the replace error with a blank or maybe with a 0, whatever you want. So this is NA, but this NA is a value. So we can replace error. Sometimes calculation error is there, and we can remove this. In this NA, we can remove this by filter, by just selecting and uncheck the NA. What happens when you click on that? The NA will be removed from the data set. No NA is there.
No NA. Gone.
So this is basically a replacing a value. No.
So when you did replace error, what did it do? Did it change anything? Or did it? I don't know if I missed it. Did it change something?
No, it will not change anything. It will remove that rows, nothing else.
Gotcha.
So it is each sales rep is equal to not equal to NA we required. Look at the code. The code is written here, the M formula language. I hope you understand
Replace
this.
them.
So we have an
Yeah.
option called replace value and replace errors. So error can be replaced with something. If some error is there, so we can fetch that error also.
Awesome.
Now, next one is what I just say, close and apply. We have fill down. Fill down is very easy part. It will take a minute, not more than that. Just let the get data. Fill down means fill up and fill down. We have a two options. This is a very useful tool for us. Let's suppose I got this data. So this is a date of transaction for all these items and all these transaction. The date is same. The date is this. For
17.
the other date is this.
Mm-hmm.
For the other date is this. But what exactly we required? This all null should be replaced with this value.
Just the
The,
ones
the, the,
between that date and the next date, right?
yes, yes, yes. So between the next day, so you just do one thing. You can click here. You can go to the transform. There is an option called fill. We have an option called fill down and fill up. So if you want to make this 2nd July to up, so it will make it fill up. If you want to make a fill down, so this 1 July 17/2018 will be automatically filled down till the next value is encountered.
Mm-hmm.
So I simply say fill down. Okay.
Boom. Easy. 3, 6.
So these all dates are coming. That's it.
Mm-hmm.
So I again say close and apply. I will give you this after the next example. Now I'm
Mm-hmm.
giving you one task. I have a data in transpose. I have this data. We have region here. We have months here. My requirement is month should be come here in this, and this region should come here. I just help you to loading the data. I'll go to the get data. Transpose data, transpose, open. So I have a table, transform. So please do the transformation of the row to column and column to rows. Try this. I am giving you the control.
Okay.
Daniel, this is your small assignment for today's session.
So we want to go ahead and transpose the region as the columns and then the current columns as a row. Okay. Mm-hmm. Hmm. Uh, use the first row. Hmm.
Yes. You have a transpose option there.
Yeah, but then I lose the. If I hit transpose, I lose the months. So the
Try this, try this, try this. What is the problem?
well, then where does because it said I think it was like February, March, something like that.
So undo it, undo it.
So if I undo that,
Just go to the applied step and cross that.
yeah. You see,
The
then I lose
problem is
Jan,
that
Feb, March,
yes,
April.
yes, because this Jan, Feb, March is not a value. These are the column headings.
Mm-hmm.
We need to make this Jan, Feb, March as an value. How can we do that?
Use the headers as the first row.
Click on that. Now try this transpose. Now again do the reverse of that.
Use okay, yeah. Okay, so then, and then we could just rename this one. Month.
That's it.
Awesome.
I hope you are clear with the concept. Please repeat this. Undo all the steps and then try it again. Yes. Now try it again from here.
Okay. All right. So then I would.
Done. So
Yeah.
in easy way, if you get a data and you require to transpose that data in Power BI, that is a minute job. But we need to take care about this trick. That trick is very important because normally the column is not a value. Column is a column value, not a record value.
Right.
So I hope you're clear with this concept.
Yeah, it makes sense.